We decided to escape the city and find a more rugged beach to explore. This odd bridge that looks like something from a Hot Wheels track was certainly not expected, but a fun thing to find on our adventure. It was $43 million to build this bridge, and it, funnily enough, replaced the last swing bridge in Texas. After driving through a small car park, we were finally able to get onto Sargent Beach. Even Renatito was enjoying the views. Compared to other beaches around, this one was pretty nice and empty. We had a great day out exploring Sargent Beach, and we will definitely come back. Thanks for watching, and we would appreciate if you like and subscribe so we can share more of our adventures with you.